Right guys, don't walk to Aldi, run to Iceland. First off, grab a basket. And there it is guys, £25, the Christmas dinner for 4 people. Right, let's get it home and cook it up.
Right, so we're back home now guys, so I'm going to cook this up. So let's unbox it together and see how much is inside. Now this is one big box and it is heavy. So we have the Brussels sprouts, okay, we have the joint. Also with this one we have the gravy, 2 extra free as well, so we get 12 pigs in blankets, parsnips, love parsnips, we've got the carrots, and lastly we have the roast potatoes. So I'm going to cook this all up and we're going to see how much it makes. On the back of the box as well, you can cut out the instructions. It is air fried by Ninja endorsed product. But you know what? We don't use Ninja. We think they're a little bit overpriced. We have Towers. So that's all decanted into separate dishes now. This is the turkey, so this is going into the oven for an hour. And guys, why not press the follow button for more savvy meal ideas and new foods? So I've got the potatoes in one side and the parsnips in the other, and I'm going to finish them off in the oven as well. And I've also put the sausages, the carrot and the sprout into the oven. And that is ready to serve up. So as you can see, it made 4 big portions. No Yorkshire puddings on this one. However, we did get gravy and parsnips. I love parsnips. So we're going to give this a try. And there was quite a lot more potatoes as well. The meat, I don't know, I'm not so sure. We'll have to do a taste test on the meat. But like I said, we've got gravy, but it's only like half the gravy boat. So we're going to pour this on. So that's 1, 2, 3, you know, not much gravy there guys, so you would probably have to make more. So let's get a knife and fork and dig in. Absolutely love a parsnip. So I'm going to get some meat on here as well and try that. Ooh, get some meat, and we're going to go for a carrot as well. Something tastes weird. I don't know what it is. I don't know whether it's the gravy. The gravy tastes a bit strange. I mean, it's turkey gravy, yes, I get that. I don't know, it's just got a funny taste. It's not to my liking anyway. Let me try the sausage and bacon. Now they're tasty. As you can see in these sausages here, they have got some herbs in there. So they are very tasty. £25? Do you think it's a good deal? I'm going to have to say no. Because by the time you've bought yourself a joint of meat, and then got the potatoes and the veg and the parsnips and the gravy, and even the pigs in blankets, I think you could do it a lot cheaper, guys. You know, that's just my review. It's totally up to you. It's handy to have in and put it in the freezer because, like, if you come to Christmas week and the kids are off, you don't want to be going around the shops waiting for, like, the cheap veg. But I think you could do this a lot cheaper. So there's my review, guys. It's totally up to you. Tell me what you think in the comments. Do you think it's worth it?